In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Google Meet account. Google Meet is a fantastic tool for video calls and virtual meetings, and having your own account will help you stay connected with friends, family, or colleagues with ease. Whether it's for professional meetings or casual catch-ups, creating an account is a straightforward process. Here's how you can set one up. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Google Meet website. You can do this by simply typing in meet.google.com in the address bar and hitting enter. This will take you directly to the Google Meet homepage, which is your starting point for all things Google Meet. Now, if you already have a Google account, you're in luck, as that's all you need to access Google Meet. However, if you don't have a Google account yet, you'll need to create one before proceeding. To do so, look for the option that prompts you to create an account or sign up. You'll be directed through a series of steps that will have you providing some personal information like your name, username, and password. Make sure to choose a strong password to keep your account secure. After you have filled in the necessary information and agreed to Google's terms and conditions, you'll have your very own Google account set up. This Google account serves as the gateway to utilizing all of Google's services, including Google Meet. Once your Google account is ready, return to the Google Meet website. You can sign in using the Google account credentials you just created. Once you're signed in, you should now have full access to all the features Google Meet has to offer. To start using Google Meet, look for the button labeled New Meeting. Clicking this allows you to set up a new video conference. You'll usually see options to start an instant meeting, get a meeting link to share, or schedule a meeting in Google Calendar. This flexibility ensures you can plan meetings according to your needs. And there you have it. You are now ready to use Google Meet to connect with anyone, whether for business or pleasure. Don't forget to explore all the functions available to you, like screen sharing, changing backgrounds, and recording meetings to get the most out of your Google Meet experience. I hope this guide has been helpful. With your new Google Meet account, you're ready to jump into any virtual setting with confidence and ease. Thanks for following along, and be sure to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.